surprise you can get. You can get this, and this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, and this is number 5, and this is number 6, and this is number 7. It's the pet. So let's open it. But first, let me see the pet. See, these are the question marks, so you can tell. This is the pet, and she's like a princess, so yeah. And let's open it. Oh, yay! I got, yeah! Look and open it. I mean, where's the plate? You open it. Where's the big tag? Okay. Now I'm gonna try to peel it off. Yeah! Wow, that was a strong one. Ooh! Oh, it's pink. Okay, cut open it. I'm gonna try to open it with my pinky. Yeah! Yay, I did it. Yay! Trash, open. And I know there's supposed to be another secret area. So, let's see her name. Queen Bee. Queen Bee! Her name is Queen Bee. See? Queen Bee. This means Queen Bee. Her name is Queen Bee. That's so cute. I think there's supposed to be something else, I guess. That's it? The pocket said you're supposed to get this, and that's it? Nothing else, really? Yes. We got the pet, we got the hat, we got the hanger, got the sippy cup, and we got the queen bee here. So that's it? It's really cool, and let's see if she can. She can't! She can't even drink! At least you can smush her and squash her. Just gonna do like this and she can drink. Let's give her her phone here. It's okay, I can just put her in her home. So let's put this in. I'm giving some of her stuff to my other one. Yeah. I can take a little girl everywhere. Yay! That's cute. This looks like the real ball. I'm taking this one. Now I'm gonna add this to my little collection. See you guys when I'm in my room. But first, let's see my ball. I got this pink ball with this cute little. I don't know what she is. She looks like a bonbon pet. She's bonbon pet. I don't know what is she. What do you think her name is? Bonbon.